with the Vermont Pyro Boys, and we're having a total solar eclipse.
What is up, pyros and fireworks enthusiasts, and welcome to another video from Vermont Pyro Boys. It's hard to believe, but it has been 1 year to the day from the day I'm uploading this video, which is April 8th, 2025, since the great total solar eclipse passed right over my house and my friends and family. We all gathered to watch it together, and y'all know there's only one thing that I want to do when the sky goes dark. So, Charlie has a question for you. Ready?
Let's watch the fireworks.
Alright, so usually I'm not much for re-uploads of stuff. I don't like I feel like it's recycling videos. But having a total solar eclipse pass over right where I live and having such fantastic weather that day was such a once-in-a-lifetime experience that I just wanted to commemorate it. And you know, the channel's grown a lot since that day too. So a lot of you probably weren't even aware of Vermont Pyro Boys when I uploaded the video in the first place. So we're going to take a look at the fireworks that I shot while totality was going on. It's going to be fun. I shot doubles, 2 cakes at a time. Not doubles of the same cake, but I wanted to cram as much celebration as I possibly could. So we are going to take a look at all those fireworks going off. I'm going to put in text at the bottom of the screen what the cakes are that were going together. You'll find that I paired a 200 gram and a 500 gram together quite a bit. And then I had a 500 gram finale cake towards the end. And my closing, if you will, was a couple of different shell sets going off together. So it's going to be really fun, everybody. Ready? So everybody grab your polarized glasses. And let's go. Oh, it's not really showing up. This is totality. Charlie, come here. Here, take this, buddy. Ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
Sunset over there.
Oh yeah, look at that sunset.
Hey, their kids are screaming too.
Okay, James, have a seat. The fireworks are going off.
Fireworks are going off. Oh. Yeah, that'll wake everybody in the multiverse. Whoa. Oh. Woo. I can feel the ground shaking. Huh? Oh. Whoa. Oh look, it's digging into it. It.
Wow. Whoa, look at that. Look at that.
He's got more.
Wow.
It's beautiful. You got more? Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh, it's beautiful.
The sun's coming back, guys.
Oh, we got more coming. Oh. Woke everybody up.
All right.
Wow. We can pick this stuff up.
Happy eclipse, happy totality, everybody. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you had fun watching it. I certainly had a lot of fun shooting it. It was hard to not be distracted by the solar eclipse going on and pay attention to lighting fireworks. So it had a little bit more of a delay between some of those sets than I thought. But all in all, it was really fun. So I hope you guys liked it too. Like I said, really a fun day and a very memorable event. So send me a note in the comments and let me know what you thought. Let me know what you thought about those combination of cakes that I chose and how I assembled the show, because I love hearing you guys' feedback on that kind of stuff. I know a lot of you are very experienced pyros that enjoy writing me, and I really appreciate your willingness to share some of your experience with me as I take it all in and apply it down the road. So, hope you all liked it. Make sure and give me a thumbs up if you did, if you enjoyed the video, because it helps the channel out. And stay tuned, because we've got lots more great stuff coming down the road. Thanks again for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on the Vermont Pyro Boys. Great night.